In this video, we're diving into the world of AI to show you how to effortlessly create, edit, and produce captivating videos without even showing your face. And guess what? This method is already bringing in a sweet $100 per day on this channel alone. But hold on tight, because as you keep churning out more of these AI-generated videos, that figure could soar to $250 or even $500 daily. Yep, you heard that right, money, thanks to AI. So, what's the secret sauce? Well, we're teaming up with ChatGPT to kickstart this money-making journey. We're talking about list videos, and what better niche to explore than travel? Specifically, let's zoom in on island getaways. We'll start by crafting a blog post highlighting the top 5 island getaways in Asia. But here's the twist, we're not just stopping at a blog post. We're turning it into a killer script for our video. ChatGPT will work its magic, conjuring up an entire blog post, complete with introductions, juicy content, and a satisfying conclusion. And hey, if you're hungry for some insider tips on picking the perfect niche with low competition and high search volume, check out the link in the description. Just copy and paste the script into wordcounter.net to gauge its length, aiming for that sweet spot of 8 to 10 minutes. Now, on to the next step, Pictory, the AI-powered video creation tool that's about to revolutionize your content game. Click the link below for a free trial, and if you decide to upgrade, we've got a little discount waiting for you. Sign up, fill out a quick survey, and voila, you're in. Inside Pictory, you'll find a treasure trove of project types, but for our purposes, we're sticking with script to video. Paste in your ChatGPT script, make a few tweaks here and there, and let Pictory weave its magic. With scene settings, we recommend keeping the Create New Scenes option on, ensuring seamless transitions throughout your video. Once your storyboard is set, it's time to fine-tune. Adjust clip timing, swap out visuals to match your narrative, and add in some sweet audio. You can choose from Pictory's stock music library or bring in your own tunes for a personal touch. And when it comes to narration, why not lend your own voice to the mix? All you need is a smartphone or basic microphone and a free program like Audacity. With your video polished to perfection, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload to YouTube, optimize your channel, and watch the views and cash roll in. Rinse and repeat with new video ideas, building a content library that keeps your audience coming back for more. So there you have it, your ticket to YouTube success, powered by ChatGPT and Pictory. Be sure to check out our other videos for more AI tips and tricks, and hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.